So before rebooting the server, you have this notification warning here. When you click, it says you need to promote this server as the default domain controller, and you have this menu. You have three options. The first one is to add a domain controller into a system domain. Right now, as you know, this is a topology from scratch. This will be our first domain controller in our network. So we're going to select this one. So the root domain name for our server will be NYC. Let's leave it by learning tech.local. Okay, so I'm gonna click next, and then this is the functional level. The functional level means tell me the level where your server will be compatible. Like if I select this one, my server will be compatible starting from 2016. My first functional level, I can select backwards to 8000, 828, 2012. I'm going to leave it by 2016. I'm gonna leave this option as default because I don't have a major change to be explaining on this lab. This is a simple topology, and this is the password for the domain in case of deletions of anything like that. This is the admin password I'm gonna select here. Create DNS delegation. I'm gonna leave this by default. DNS NetBIOS name, I'm not using that here. I'm gonna leave that one as default too, and click on next. The path. This is the location. This is one of the interview questions. They ask you what is the default path of the schema on the logs file and folders for the database of Active Directory. This is the path. It's under the Windows folder. So before deploying the Active Directory services, it make a check of the minimum prerequisites to meet this, and according to this check, it says it passed, so you can continue with the installation of the services. By default, when you are installing the Active Directory services, the server is rebooted automatically, so all changes can be effective the next time the server is coming up. As you can see, the service was completed, and now by default, as I said, it's going to restart the server. Going to close this, close everything, and then the server will be ready to be rebooted automatically.